I just want to make something.
It's so big.
Yo, Gatorade me, bitch.
That was legitness. Yeah, it was, huh?
What's up, guys? I got 50 plus meme sound effects here for you, all completely free. Download instructions, as always, in the description below. Yeah, I'm about to play all 50. I think there's around 55 for you right now, so if you want to give them a listen, go ahead. If not, enjoy. Bye-bye.
Who the fuck is that guy? Who the fuck is that? You know damn well who I am. Who the fuck is that? Oh my God.
I say whoever threw that paper, your mom's a hoe.
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay.
You shall not pass!
You're a wizard, Harry.
I'm a what?
A wizard.
I like the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Yeah.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
What did you think about the ride?
It was great. And apparently, I've never been on live television before, but apparently sometimes I don't watch the the news because I'm a kid, and apparently Grandpa just gives me the remote after we watch the Powerball.
What is going on here? Breakfast!
Would you like to die, Tyrion, son of Tywin?
In my own bed, at the age of 80, with a belly full of wine and a girl's mouth around my cock.
Call 911 now!
Shit! Language.
Please close your eyes, turn around, and count to 9. When you open them, I will be gone.
Creeper. Oh man.
Da Vinci?
Daddy, chill.
Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Back at it again with the white van. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Back at it again with the white vans. Thirsty, man. Damn. Daniel.
Thank you very much. Dana! 60 G's, baby!
I was wondering, what's the recommended amount of dated wham I should have to a server?
These nuts. Got him! Got him!
I'm Detective Carter. Do you speak any English? Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Let's say China. China.
China.
China. China. China.
China.
China. China. China. China.
So you're saying there's never been a case where you drank so much that you didn't remember what happened the night before or part of what happened?
You're asking about, blackout. I don't know. Have you?
See the line where the sky meets the sea. It calls me, and no one knows how far it goes.
Yo, Gatorade me, bitch.
Jesus have souls. I go to church. I'm a Christian. You don't know me. You're not God. You're not God. You don't know who has a soul and who doesn't. All right? I'm a Christian.
4 of us wolves running around the desert together in Las Vegas, looking for strippers and cocaine. So tonight, I make a toast.
What do you got there?
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
Hi.
Okay. Well, well, well. How the turntables... You know what? I'm about to say it.
Say it.
I don't care that you broke your elbow.
I like turtles.
Why are you so sweaty?
I was watching Cops.
You guys say Colorado.
Chip, I'm all jacked up on Mountain Dew.
I love that.
Tell me what you got. Tell me what, just move. If you got to know it, just move. It's all I want to see some movement. I'm not seeing enough movement. Oh my God. It's not that big. Woo.
It's so big.
Let me bang, man.
I want to do that, man.
Let me bang, bro.
I do.
I do. Let me bang. I do let you bang. Hey. Let me bang again, man. I'll let you bang. I'll let you bang. Let me bang. Let you bang, man. Pizza.
Okay. Oh my God! Oh! Oh my fucking God! Oh! Oh! Get this fucking... Oh! No! Get the camera! Money! Money! Oh my God!
Look out. I think Moto likes you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, stop, bro. I'm stuck. Can you help me?
Sarah, this has never happened, and if I move, it sinks lower. Oh, Sarah, help me.
If you smell a delicious, crispy smell after the race, it's not your tailpipe. It's a little bit of shake, and then bang. Shake it back. What are you doing in my swamp?
Just smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
Spell red.
L-A-T-E-R. I don't know, I just woke up from a little nap. It's a little dark, but you guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
That was legitness.
Yeah, it was. Huh?
The fuck you say to me, you little shit? How are you not in fucking school? You kiss your mother with that mouth? It's called you kiss your mother with that fucking mouth? Huh?
Oh my God, why are you so angry?
Because the fucking youth of society. You shut up when I'm talking to you! You shut your mouth! To the break of dawn, yo!
We're gonna